It's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a camera protector for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I've looked for a while for one of these, and you had some that covered the whole area back here, which some of my cases go more in depth around the camera, and then you have what I picked out, which is single camera lens protectors. You know I like a little blingage in my life, so I got the blingy camera protectors. I'm gonna install those and let you know how I like them. Let's get started. Now the iPhone 12 Pro Max is like most phones nowadays. The cameras stick out a bit from the phone. So there's no way to protect that unless you get a camera lens protector. I'd rather do that than have to replace my camera lenses. I've never had to replace camera lenses on any of my phones, but knock on wood, we don't want this to be the first. I am all about protecting cameras, phones. I use a tempered glass screen protector on my iPhone 12 Pro Max front screen, so why not protect the cameras on the back? All right, it took a minute to get that open. Okay, so these are actual camera lens protectors. They put us some wipes in here to clean our stuff off before we install it, and some dust removers. There are instructions to clean it off first. Take each individual camera lens protector off and then just stick it on the phone. Seems pretty cut and dry. Let's make sure we can get this done quickly. I will say they included one extra. I'm gonna leave that in there just in case I need it in the future. Put it back in this box here. It's gonna be easier to keep up with than that little piece that they gave us. And here we go. We got our blingage. Might not go as well with my teal case here, but I have some other cases with some bling to them that this is gonna look awesome, and I'll try to take some pictures and put them in here for you. The one thing I will say is about when I installed these, they are flush. So when you put them down, I could feel that there was some angle to it, and I pushed it and it just sat flush on there. I feel better about my cameras now, and it looks good, you know? Let's take some pictures. Let's see, that's a pretty picture right there. Ah! And that's how my picture came out. There's no distortion or anything. Everything looks good. There's no tint. It kind of looked like it had a tint to it. There is a black ring around the edge that probably keeps the blingage from coming in and distorting your pictures. This has been a Kimmy Quickie from Gigi the Gadget Goddess. If you would like said camera protectors, I will leave a link below. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you've been liking a lot of videos, you might want to join my memberships. Memberships has its privileges. I do members only streams once a month, bloopers and outtake videos, and there's all kinds of other benefits to getting videos early, etc. Thanks for watching and have a great day.